Avengers, and I played from measure 42 through 61. Now I'm gonna go slowly over right and left hand. So in 33rd measure, the key signature changed to E to E minor. Is it? Two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, which is a D major. It should be the B minor, but we start with E. Anyway, on the left hand we have E, E, and B in the middle. So the three notes is E, E, and B. Then we're gonna go next measure to C, C, G in the middle. The next measure will be C sharp. Then we go back to C natural, G, C. 2 beats. Next one is 2 beats D, A, D, and then following measure we back like full circle to E, B, and E. So the right hand, so let me play the left hand first. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C, 2, D, 2, and back to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right hand plays the melody, and it's between two notes, G and E. And it's 8 notes, and then we'll have accents which would highlight the melody. So the rest of the notes will be softer, and the melody, of course, will be accented. So here is first measure: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and so very important that you struck the E and then E G together, and then B G B together, and E A together, and the rest of the notes should be softer. Then the pattern will repeat again: G E E G G E E, and then the following measure begins a new wave of melody, and it slightly changes. So let me play these 4 measures. My cat is meowing, but it's okay, we're gonna move on. So I'm gonna play slowly measure 33 through 35, 36. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, the following, when we go back to E, B, E in the left hand, right hand does this peculiar thing. We're gonna hold octave E, and the top E will get stuck while the bottom 2 notes will continue to play. So this is sort of for the effect of a sound, the overtones. When you have the left, the right hand, the pedal, it's gonna create another sound effect. So let me show you. So you play this, you struck the 3 notes at the same time, which is a E, E, an octave, and G in the middle. Okay, then you continue holding the pinky and continue playing with your thumb and second finger, which is that repetitive background: E, E, G, G, E, E. The next, so let me show you together with left hand that measure. So see how I keep holding that E? All right, the following measure, I'm repeating, but the melody, the accent shifts again, just like we did in the single melody. Now we're adding octaves and sixths. So the next measure, G, E, accented E, then accented E on top with G, B, and the following measure is going to be A. The left hand will keep holding that C, C, G. C will be natural and G natural, so all white keys. So I'm gonna go slowly, hands together, starting from the E, from that first one. So I'm combining two measures together now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, so the measure 39, if you can see, I moved to C sharp, just two notes, octave, and the right hand moves to octave A, and then it goes, so I can't physically hold A and go to G and E, but I'm gonna hold it with paddle. So if I hold the paddle and move my hand, the A will still would be overtoned and heard for the duration of that measure. So I'm gonna show you. So see how I'm push that A and then I move my right hand down. So let me play this one more time so you can hear it. The following measure, left hand will be F sharp B, half notes. Right hand's gonna go to B and F sharp. And no accents, just very simple. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let me go back again to E when we start a new pattern and play whole 4 measures slowly together. The following measure, a little bit different. So left hand will have C, G, C again, then D, A, D. A little bridge. Right hand gonna have octaves, E, D, E, F sharp. So when we combine them together, it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the following measure is a pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's a dotted rhythm, and the left hand will go together with your right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So left hand has C, C with G in the middle. Left hand has D, A, D. So we're gonna combine them together. And that's what I'm gonna end my tutorial. The following that I played at the beginning of